Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a webcam on PS5. Using your smartphone directly as a webcam on a PlayStation 5 isn't natively supported. However, there are alternative methods to incorporate your phone's camera into your PS5 streaming setup, primarily involving additional hardware or software. Method 1. Using a capture card and a streaming software. This method allows you to use your phone as a webcam by integrating it into a PC-based streaming setup. What you will need: a capture card, example, Elgato Camlink 4K to capture PS5, gameplay.youtube plus 2 Tech Synchron, Tech Hub plus 2 YouTube plus 2, a PC or Mac to run streaming software like OBS Studio or Streamlabs, an app to turn your phone into a webcam such as DroidCam or EpoCam. Steps: set up the capture card, connect your PS5's HDMI output to the capture card input, connect the capture card to your PC via USB, install and configure streaming software, install OBS Studio or Streamlabs on your PC, add the capture card as a video source to capture PS5 gameplay, set up your phone as a webcam, install DroidCam or EpoCam on your phone and the corresponding drivers on your PC, connect your phone to the PC via USB or Wi-Fi following the app's instruction, add your phone as a video source in a streaming software, start streaming, configure your streaming settings, example Twitch or YouTube, begin streaming. Your PS5 gameplay and phone cam feed will be broadcast together. Alternative: use a compatible USB webcam. If you prefer a more straightforward setup, consider using a USB webcam that's compatible with the PS5. While the PS5 officially supports the PlayStation HD camera, some users have had success with other USB webcams. However, compatibility isn't guaranteed and functionality may be limited. Summary: directly using your phone as a webcam on PS5 isn't supported. Using a capture card and PC provides the most reliable method to integrate your phone as a webcam. For simplicity, using a compatible USB webcam is the most straightforward solution. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.